All right, Mike here. Here we go tonight. It's Monday night. I'm going to tear into the Proline engine, and we're going to put rods in it. So that's kind of what we're looking to do right now. I'm going to get into that. So trying to get organized. As you can see, we're trying to get everything, situated where I can put parts and it can be clean and organized. So TRP rods, that's what will be going in it. And like I said, I'm trying to clear all my benches and everything. We got the fuel cells in the car. I think I showed you guys that. So we're making some headway on that. So once I get the engine freshened up, put some rods in it like I'm saying, and get it ready to go. So we'll be busting away here, trying to get some stuff done. And so we get the engine back in the car, and that's when we can get the rest of it done. So anyway, keep watching Mike Bowman Racing on YouTube, and I'm going to do a time-lapse video while we're working on the engine, so should be pretty cool. Check it out. Thanks. All right, Sunday morning, again, cold as balls. Still working on the Pro Mod. Seems like the never-ending story. It is going to be getting closer to an end, though. We put rods in the Proline motor, and we're getting ready to put the rest of the suspension in. Yesterday, I worked on all of this, getting ready to hang the struts. And got the control arms and stuff back from the powder coater. And I finished the engine yesterday. Got it all together. Now we're going to start all our plumbing, all the different things that we have to do here. And we got to determine our rack. We got to determine the length of the arms for the rack. And once we get all the suspension and everything up on here. Today, hopefully I get the converter and the trans and all that stuff in. That's the goal here is to get that stuff done. And that way it'll be down to the wiring, hopefully after today. We have to get this thing running pretty quick. We only have a few weeks left before we have to be in Bakersfield. And I say a few weeks, less than that, but I think we're going to make it. We still have some modifications and stuff that I need to do. Had to add this bar right here, and this bar is here now. And when the zoomies, when I put the zoomies on, we'll be able to attach this portion of the fender right here. Be able to make a mount right here, and it'll go from that bar down, and then we'll have all the zoomy stuff. We'll attach, the stuff on top of the zoomies. So anyway, plugging along here, like I said, trying to get everything done. It's always a process, but we're getting there. That's about it. Keep watching us on YouTube. On Mike Bowman Racing on YouTube. Like and subscribe. We're still looking toward getting that 4,000 subscribers and getting that giveaway. And check out our Facebook, Instagram, Mike Bowman Racing 68 on the Instagram. And keep watching. We're gonna make it happen. All right, well, here we are Sunday night. Still working on the Pro Mod. I've got quite a bit of stuff done today, but gonna have to tap out in a little bit here. But have a few things I got to do. Gonna kind of show you what I did today. So I got the engine in and everything last night after putting the rods in it. I've got the fuel cell mounted. I got the struts back on it. I've welded out the arms and everything, the steering arms. And got the headers on, and now I've got the mounts done for all the coils, because the coils are going to be up there. And I got that part done. Got the trans in, got my dynamic drive line showed up, and we got that in there. So if you get to check it out, anyhow, give Mike and guys, Mike over there, give them a call at Dynamic Driveline. So anyway, we've got the trans in, or M&M trans, bell housings in, trying to get all this stuff done. Hi, Christy.
Dinner's almost
All right, sweet. Anyway, I still have wiring to do. Getting a little bit closer, trying to get everything done here. Got the tires and wheels on. It's just starting to look like all day, every day. That's right. It's starting to look like a race car now. So, we're getting closer. Like I said, there's a bit more to do. Gotta get the Pro Charger stuff on there. That's tomorrow night. I've got to still phase. So got to phase our, get all our timing stuff and crank trigger and stuff dialed in. That's why I haven't put the Pro Charger on yet. I mean, I've got all the brake lines and fire lines and everything on it now. So still have to plumb some of the fuel lines. We got the back done. It's super tight back there. We've got to mount our Pro Charger stuff first before I can finish the plumbing. So anyhow, just keep banging away here. We'll talk to you later.